Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to sign out of your YouTube account on Android. All right, let's begin. To sign out of your YouTube account on Android, first, go to your device's settings. Next, navigate to Apps and select All Apps. Here, find and tap on YouTube. Once you're in the YouTube settings, go to Storage and tap on Clear Cache. Then, click Clear Data. By doing this, your YouTube account will be signed out. This method works because it clears the app's data, including your account information. After clearing the data, you will no longer have access to your YouTube account until you log back in. Once you've signed out, you won't be able to access any of your content unless you sign in again with your credentials. So, that's basically how you can sign out of your YouTube account on Android. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.